Hi everyone, welcome to today's property tour. I'm excited to share with you a gorgeous home that's brand new construction located in Queen Creek. It's a stunning property built by Richmond American Homes. It's the Harley floor plan, 3,190 square feet, 3-bedroom house with 3.5 bathrooms, but best of all, it has an RV garage. This floor plan starts at $737,000. If you're curious to learn more about this house or any other one, reach out. All the information is below. And if you find value in the video, please like and subscribe so you can join the family and know when the next video comes out. Stay tuned until the end as I'm going to share more about the neighborhood and surrounding areas. was such a gorgeous house. This neighborhood is called West Park Estates, and they offer a variety of 7 different floor plans ranging from 2,500 square feet to 3,190. I love the location of this neighborhood. It's located in Queen Creek and is part of the Queen Creek Unified School District, which is one of the top school districts in all the East Valley. The neighborhood connects directly to the Mansell Carter Park, and this park has so much to offer. There's a unique playground, splash pad for those hot days, covered picnic tables, but what I love most is the lake. It's a gorgeous 5-acre lake, regularly stocked with fish, so you can literally come and fish here for free. Plus, there's a skate park, basketball courts, baseball fields, and other fields where you can see kids playing sports. And down the street from the community is the Queen Creek Marketplace, which has tons of restaurants, shopping, and entertainment. You will find local grocery stores, Target, movie theaters, and so much more. So if you're looking for a brand new construction house located in a great area, this community could be for you. If you're ready to explore getting into your own house, contact us at the information below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.